What are the 5 system rollback solutions to restore Windows 10? Here are the 5 system rollback solutions to restore Windows 10. 1. System Restore. This option takes your PC back to an earlier point in time, called a system restore point. Restore points are generated when you install a new app or driver, and when you create a restore point manually. Restoring won't affect your personal files, but it will remove apps, drivers, and updates installed after the restore point was made. 2. Go back to the previous build, https://goo.gl/n91wwe. 3. System image recovery, https://goo.gl/fkjt39. 4. Reset Windows 10, https://goo.gl/downf6m. Recovery options in Windows 10. 5. Try some recovery software on the web. https://goo.gl/bx3e7j Top 15 Best Free Data Recovery Software of 2018, https://goo.gl/usedwj The Best Data Recovery Software of 2018 and https://goo.gl/niwwyb The Best Free File Recovery Software 2018.